Our involvement through the Invest Local programme was when Cefn Golau was identified as one of the areas. They talked to Caulfields Regeneration Trust and then commissioned our services to provide them with development support, strategic networking, and to help devise the next driving change plan and to look at the delivery of activities and services on the estate.
Cefn Golau is a close-knit community. Everyone got each other's backs.
Everybody is friendly and they'll welcome everybody into the community. It is a nice place to live.
It was important to receive the funding because we're a deprived area and there was nothing up here at all. So we're trying to build on that to make it better for everyone.
The difference, I think, Invest Local, they've empowered the people. Invest Local from the beginning made sure our policies were right, but also they invested in us. So a lot of the volunteers now have got skills. One particular, she have got a full-time job now. She wouldn't have had it 2 years ago.
My name's Rebecca Roberts. My role is I'm a volunteer and I do sports and snacks for the half term. So every half term we get all the kids involved and it's like we do dodgeball, football, rounders. When it comes to snacks then, it's like they can have wraps, crisps, fruit.
Some kids don't have all their meals a day, so at least we provide one.
With these helping me, like my confidence and my CV and stuff like that, I wouldn't be able to have a job if it wasn't for them to support me.
The projects help loads of people, gets everybody together, like food parcels we do, so everybody comes for a food parcel in Nghefn Golau.
We've done a mugger down the park. We do a post-cold trip every year and take people who don't normally go. We've done swimming lessons and learnt a lot of children how to swim. We've got a gardening club and teaching the kids all about growing their own fruit and veg.
My role as the growing coordinator to run the community garden and try and inspire the local residents to come along and get outside, come into the garden, learn new skills, enjoy the benefits of working outside, working with nature. When we have the new growing project that's moving to the new location that we're planning currently, we have plans to do much more.
The community centre will be brilliant. I think it's going to do a lot for people with this community centre. We can have loads of events in the community centre and loads of clubs going from there.
This wouldn't have happened without the finance and, more importantly, the know-how to give the people the knowledge so they can carry on and do it in the communities themselves.
Seeing people's lives change, yeah, makes a difference and makes me smile. I do feel really proud of what we have achieved.